In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla Model X door not opening. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you to guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then click on Model X, since this is specifically for Model X. Now proceed to choose the language you're most compatible with, and then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the drop-down option for opening and closing, and then click on doors. Here, you'll find a bunch of options about doors and door section for Tesla, notes and things to be cautious of. So I want you to have a good read of this, and if that helps you with your problem, great. If it doesn't, I do have more fixes to share with you. So the first fix I have to share with you is to use a touch screen or app. If the door isn't responding to the handle or key fob, try opening it from the touch screen. Tap Controls, Doors, and select the door you want to open. You can also try using the Tesla mobile app to unlock and open the door remotely. The next fix is to check for obstructions. If the Falcon wing door or the front doors detect an obstacle, they may refuse to open. Make sure nothing is blocking the door's path, including ice, dirt, or small objects. The next fix is to try a soft reset. A simple reset can often fix unresponsive doors. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen restarts. Once the system reboots, try opening the door again. The fourth fix I have for you is to manually open the front door. If the front door isn't opening electronically, you can use the manual release. Pull the interior door handle firmly. This will mechanically unlock and open the door. The next fix I have for you is to manually open the Falcon Wing doors. If a Falcon Wing door won't open, use the emergency release. Open the rear trunk, locate the small access panel near the affected door, remove the panel, and pull the emergency release cable. This will release the door manually. The next fix I have for you is to check for software updates. Sometimes a software bug can affect door operation. Go to Controls, Software, and check if any update is available. If there is one, install it and test the doors again afterwards. And lastly, if nothing else works, just contact Tesla Upward, because scheduling a service appointment through the Tesla app, Tesla may be able to diagnose the problem remotely or provide repair options if there's a hardware issue. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.